Hello engineers, Radhe Radhe. So engineers, welcome back to our YouTube channels and most welcome back to our PLC logic tutorial. So today is 19 day and in this video I am just discussing about one another logic with temperature controller with hysteresis loss. Hysteresis, understand? So this is a 91 day. In this logic we are going to just discussing point to point how to create PLC program in PLC logic software, how to mm, how to create a logic in PLC programming tutorial. One by one we are going to just discussing about. So today is 91 day and in this video just uh, I am just discussing about temperature control with hysteresis and this title name is temperature control with hysteresis. Understand what I want to say to you. So that's let's start. Create a PLC program to control the temperature of a room with a heater. Means create a PLC program. You have to just create a PLC program. Tem- control the control the temperature of a room. Means किसी रूम के टेम्परेचर को कंट्रोल करना by the help of heater, with the help of heater. There are 3 points. In this point we are going to just point to point I have discussed one by one. If the temperature falls below 80 Celsius, the heater should turn on. Means when the temperature below 80 when the temperature below 80 heater should turn on. Understand? If the temperature rises above 20 means the when the temperature of room goes above 22 Celsius, then after heater should off. And third point is ensure there is no rapid cycles by adding a hysteresis band between 18 Celsius and 22 Celsius. Means you have to just also know about there is no any rapid cycle means means it is going 80 Celsius and just decrease 22 Celsius. So you have to just means आप उसमें ज़्यादा रैपिड साइकिल नहीं होनी चाहिए. मीन्स इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज रैपिड साइकिल मीन्स माने फ्लक्चुएशन नहीं होनी चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई वांट टू से टू यू. So let's create this logic in Studio 5000 Logic Designer software. You have to just create this logic in every type of PLC programming software like a Siemens, Delta, Mitsubishi, Schneider, XYZ PLC software. So currently now I am going to offline and now I have to create a new routine from main program and here I have to create a new routine. That routine is name is going to 091 I means and this logic name is going to move temperature control with hysteresis loss. I have to just control C and now I am to going to paste here and now I am going to click on OK. So this is the 91 blank routine will be open. There is no any instruction in this routine. So one by one I have to just discussing about this point. If the temperature falls below 80 Celsius, then temperature should turn on. Okay, heater should turn on. So means I have to just compare block take and now I have to just take less than block. ठीक, understand, less than. So means temperature, room temperature means heater temperature, HEATR, heater temperature. I have to create this tag and this tag is going to real, REAL, real. And when it is going below 80 Celsius, then heater should turn on. Heater should turn on. Heater room heater. I just create this tag and now I have to latch this bit. Then I have to create this room heater bit and control C and then go to the when it's go to the above means just I have to delete this and go to the compare block, and here I have to just take greater instruction, and that heater temperature is here and it's going above 22 degrees Celsius. When it goes 22 degrees Celsius, then room heater should OTU, means it will be unlatch, the bit will be unlatched. And third point is tell us ensure there is no any rapid cycles by adding a hysteresis band between 80 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius. Means we have to just also know about when the heater should below 22 degrees Celsius, then heater should be room heater should on. When the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius, then room heater will be off. Understand? Between 90 डिग्री when it's means जब वो 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस जाए then heater should turn not turn on. Understand? Means when temperature should go below 18 degrees, below 18 degrees Celsius, then heater will be on. When temperature should go above 22 degrees Celsius, then room heater will be off. Understand? Then I have to create this logic in subroutine, and now I am going to just call in main routine. Just double click on main routine, and then you have to just below I have to take another control C or control V, and that logic is going to 91 temperature control with hysteresis. Understand? So I have to create this logic in PLC programming. Now I have to just verify this controller and there is no any error, and now I have to just download this backup into PLC Studio 5000 emulator. Understand? Now I have to click download, and it goes to download in Studio 5000 logic simulator software, and now it will be going to download. And then I have to click on yes. Now I have to click when the temperature, now temperature is 0 degree, it is 20 degree, the room heater should on, the room heater should on. When temperature go to 20.29, the room heater will be also on. When temperature go to 18.1, then heater should on. When temperature goes above 21.99, the temperature should on. The room heater should turn. Room heater will be on. When temperature goes above 22 degrees Celsius, mean 22 degrees Celsius, then heater should off. Understand? Heater should off. When temperature goes below 21, the temperature should turn off. When temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, the room heater will be also off. When temperature go to 18.2 degrees Celsius, the room heater will also off. When temperature below 18 degree, then the room heater will be on. Means when temperature below 18 degree, then room heater will be on. When temperature goes above 22 degrees Celsius, then heater should be off. Understand? When temperature go below 18 degrees Celsius, then heater should be on. Understand? When temperature go about 22 degrees Celsius, then room heater will be on, off. So, and when temperature below 20 degree, then room heater will be 18 degree, the room heater will be on. So this is the simple logic in the according to the industrial automation. This is the best logic for heater condition logic. When temperature goes below 18 degree, then room heater will be on. When temperature goes above 22 degree, then room heater will be off. So if you wanted to just learn about how to learn PLC logic tutorial previous video, I have just discussed about motor start with safety condition, and also I am just discussing about PLC logic tutorial here. So you have to just click on both and then you have to just learn about this topic. Thanks engineers. Radhe Radhe with